Hello friends, in this lecture we are going to take a look at appearance palette. So, where is this? Let's go to the window menu and here it is, appearance. You can see that it's here. Let's drag it here. Now, here you will see various options. So first, let's create a rectangle just like this. And from here we have already changed the fill and the stroke options, right? Now let's come here. Yeah, it's really very interesting. We have an option here that is fill. You can change it here and also you can change the stroke. Let's make it say 10 points. So how we are changing it? Here we have an option. We are just clicking on it. See? Just click on it to enable the edit option. Now you can edit it. See, just like that. And here you have the fill option. And even you can control the stroke opacity. See, by default it's 100% actually. Okay, and here you can control its main opacity. See? Okay. Now that's not enough. Yes, here you can do really interesting stuff, like you can add a new stroke, you can add a new fill. Yes friend. So now see here, let's come here to these options. Number 1, add new stroke. Let's click on it. See here, we have got the stroke color and the stroke points. Let's make it something else, say this color. Okay, and let's make it like very thin, just like this, and see how is it looking. So this is having a stroke of 6 points, this is having a stroke of 13 points, but the stroke alignment is at the center, which we can change from here, right? Let's make it inside and see, or you can make it say outside. So first we are applying a stroke of 6 point, so it will be at the top. Then we are applying a stroke of 13 points, which is just beneath it. Now let's add another stroke, this time say 4 points, sorry, yep, let's make it 4 point and let's make it red. And yeah, you can also change the stroke alignment here also, see. Let's make it inside. So first this is red, let's not make it red, let's make it this color. Yeah, so first we are applying this stroke. Let's make it say 13 points. So at top we can see this one. Next we are having a stroke of this color. Let's change it to say 16 points. Yep, and then we have a stroke of black with 13 points, and that's why we can't see that. We need to make it bigger than 16 point to make it visible. And the stroke alignment is let's make it outside to make it visible. Yep, see 19 points. Now we can see only 3 point because just after it we are having this one with a stroke of 16 points. Let's make it even bigger, just like this. So yeah, you can apply this kind of really cool stuff. Let me tell you something. Yeah, first we're applying this color, right? Let's make it black. Yeah, let's make this one close to black, just like this. And next one again black. This one is looking even nicer, isn't it? And let's not make it 16 points. Let's even make it like this. This one also not 30 points. Yep, let's make it like this. Now you can even add another fill. Let's add a fill, and this time let's make its color say like this. But there is a thing actually. You can change its opacity also and see. So it's 52% this orange color, and then we have this red. So you can create some really cool kind of stuffs using this, and this appearance palette is really very helpful. Yes, friend, for applying multiple strokes, for applying multiple fills with different opacity, you can apply these kind of stuffs. And now here is an option. I mean, there are few options. Clear appearance. I recommend not to clear the appearance because you have created all of these with really good effort. Next, we have another thing, that is duplicate selected item. You can even duplicate a selected item. So let's select this one and let's create a duplicate of it and see. Now here, this is the thing. Here you can apply effects. Yeah, see here, you can even apply effects. This time, okay, here we have this fill color, right? 52%. Now select this one, just this fill, go to effects. I mean, click on this effects. Next let's go to pixelate and let's click on crystallize, and let's see, let's make it like this. Click on OK. You can't see the effect because at at the bottom we are having this options. Well, I think let's play around with this stroke. Now let's select one of the strokes, say the outside one. This is the one, right? So let's select this stroke, and now let's click on this effects to apply some effects. Yes, friend. And now let's pixelate, or yep, let's go to distort and transform, and let's click on, say, zigzag. Let's hit the preview option and see. See? Let's click on smooth. No, I think corner is way better, right? Relative, absolute. You can even try to change the size. Let's make it small only, just like this. Play around with, oops, oh my god, it's really interesting, huh? Okay, so yeah, now let's click on OK. So you can apply effects to each of these properties, to each of this stroke, each of these fills. I think that for fill I don't recommend these kind of stuffs because, well, let me hide all of these, and currently this is visible, right? This fill option. Let's select the fill, and now let's go to effects. Let's select this fill and let's apply an effect of, say, brush strokes. Let's try to play around with it and let's see if it is getting applied or not. Let's click on OK. Yeah, okay. And let's select this one again. Let's go to effects. Distort is there, ocean ripple is there, sketch. So you can apply all these Photoshop effects. I am thinking of providing there you go, this pixelate option. Let's click on crystallize and let's play around with this crystallize option. Let's click on OK and see. Yeah, you can experiment with all of these and you can check it by yourself. So that's it, guys. Till now we have covered the stroke palette and this appearance palette. I'm thinking to cover few more. Like there is one a very really interesting palette, that is the align palette. Here it is. Then we have the symbols palette, which is also very interesting. Okay, so we will see one by one. Okay, so here I'm concluding this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.